Hi folks. You know, backyard orchards are enjoying a resurgence in popularity, and for good reason. Fruit trees are an obvious choice for an edible landscape, and there's a significant ornamental quality about them too. When these trees are loaded with pink and white blooms, it really makes a landscape pop. One aspect, however, of a backyard orchard is the routine maintenance involved, and one part of that maintenance is pruning. Folks, if you haven't pruned your fruit trees by now, that window of time is rapidly closing, and there are 4 reasons why you want to hurry up and get this done. First of all, pruning fruit trees will open up the canopy as much as possible and allow maximum sunlight penetration, and that's just going to make your trees more productive. Second, you want to allow maximum air circulation in the canopy of the tree, and that's going to significantly cut down on fungal pathogens. Another reason we want to take the time to prune our fruit trees is to control the overall size of the tree, and that's important in a small home orchard like this. Finally, we want to maximize flower and fruit production. If you allow every branch to produce leaves and stems, you won't get much fruit production. We want to find a good balance between the number of vegetative branches and the number of branches that are going to give us flower and fruit, and take out anything that's going to be unnecessary. So for all those reasons, you want to go ahead and get your fruit trees pruned before leaf out and before we get into spring. For Get It Growing, I'm Kerry Heafner with the LSU AgCenter.